Do you remember that classic style executive office I designed earlier? Well, today we are taking the exact same space and giving it a complete modern makeover. Stay with me till the end because we'll also compare both versions side by side and the difference will surprise you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nice Tower. If you love architectural design transformation, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next big redesign we've got coming. Alright, let's jump right into turning this classic space into a sleek modern office. I start by removing all the classic elements, the decorations, the furniture, and even the halogen lights. Everything that represents the classic style has to go. And next, let's clean up the wall. I delete all the molding and gypsum details because in modern design everything needs to stay simple and flat. First, I remove all the handles and make the cabinet doors completely plain. I extrude these parts by 10 mm and push the inner panels 4 mm inside to give them a smooth surface. Then I delete all the extra lines to keep it neat. I repeat the same process for the other side as well. Extrude this area and delete the extra lines. And now I take a copy of this line at 4 mm and now push it 4 mm. Delete the handles. I do it for this part. From the top edge, I copy a line 20 mm down and draw a line here. Extrude this area. Delete the lines and push it slightly inward, just a little for a clean definition. Since modern style means less details, and that's enough. Now moving to the shelves, I change their arrangements a bit. For example, I remove one shelf at the top to open up the space visually. Then I add a linear lightning strips inside the shelves to make them stand out. I added 20 mm linear light. And now time for materials. For the main wall, I choose a light gray color, one of the signature tones of modern design. For the shelves, I use a light wood texture for all parts. I apply the same texture to the lower cabinets, also for here. And the top surface is to keep it consistent and simple. For the floor, both wood parquet and stone tiles work perfectly in modern style, so I test both to see which one matches best. Even the shelves can have glass panels in modern interiors. I'll try that version too, and it looks amazing. Here we go, the final result. The same executive office now completely transformed in a modern masterpiece. Clean lines, soft lighting, natural colors, and a calm functional atmosphere that feels open and elegant. Now let's take a look at both designs side by side. In classic version, we had detailed molding, gold accents, and a rich formal feeling. But in the modern version, with fewer details, softer tones, and a sense of plants and minimals. So, which one fits your style more? The timeless luxury or classic or the clean calm of modern? If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell because next time we are taking the same room and turning it into something completely new classical. A perfect blend of both worlds. See you in the next video.